Hi folks, welcome back. Let's proceed with step 31. In the previous video, we added our first coffee item on the menu. Today we gotta add rest of the coffee items just like we did in the previous step. Just give an empty article element and add 2 paragraph elements within that article element, one for flavor and another for its price. Now copy the whole thing and paste it 3 times more. Then add these given flavor names and its respective prices in these article elements. Step 32. As you can see, the flavors and prices are currently stacked on top of each other and centered with their respective P elements. Let's place it in a traditional way and put flavor on the left and its price on the right. For that, we need to add class attribute to the first P element with the value as flavor. Step 33. Let's use our new flavor class as a selector and set its text-align properties value to left in the style CSS file. Step 34. Now it's the time to add class named price to our second paragraph element that has $3 as its text. Step 35. Now in the CSS file, we need to align the text to the right for the elements with the price class. Step 36. As you can see in the preview, the flavor and its respective price are not in the same line. That's because the paragraph elements are block-level elements, which means they take up the entire width of their parent element. In order to align them in the same line, we need to apply some styling to the paragraph elements, so they behave more like inline elements. To do that, firstly, we gotta add class attribute with the value item to the first article element, which is right below the coffee heading. Step 37. Since P elements are nested in an article element with the class item, we can style all the paragraph elements nested anywhere in elements with a class named item as shown in example code. So let's just use the same selector and add a display property with value as inline block. Now P elements of that specific article will behave more like inline elements. Step 38. Now price is closer to the flavor, but price is supposed to stay at the right. This is because inline block elements only take up the width of their content. To spread them out, let's add width property to the flavor and price class selectors that have a value as 50% each. Step 39. The previous step didn't work. What a shame. First paragraph element took too much space that its price automatically shifted to next line. To fix this, we need to change the width 50% to 49% to both classes to see what happens. Step 40. We need to reduce the space between the flavor and its respective elements. There's a trick to do that. On the editor, take the second class and place it after the first class so that they are on the same line in the editor. Use backspace and make sure there's no space between 2 paragraph elements. That's all for today, folks. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned for further steps and chapter in upcoming videos. I'll catch you in the next one.